Okay, interpreting histograms. I already did a lesson on drawing histograms, so I assume that you're good at these. Now, the main thing about interpreting histograms is all about area. Okay, so look at this histogram here. Okay, right, time students, copy and complete the frequency table. Now, if I was going to work out the frequency density, I'd do my frequency, which is this number, divided by my class width. So to work out my frequency, I've got to do the opposite. So I've got to do my frequency density times my class width. So my first one, I have to do 0.1, which is 0.1 here, times by 20, because 0 to 20 is 20, which is 2. Next one, my height is 0.8, so I'll do 0.8 times 10, which is 8. Next one is 2.8, my width is 5, and you can get it from the table if you can't read it from the graph. The next one, my width is 10, and my height is 1.5, 15, and my last one, my height is 0.4, and my width is 15, so it's going to be 6. Now, how many students spent longer than 50 minutes on the internet? Now, if you look, 50 minutes is actually that little bit there, or more, so it's actually this little bit here. Now, if you look at that, I think it's all about area. So when I'm looking at that, my width is 10, my height is 4, so I'm going to do 10 times 0.4, which is 4. And that's an estimate, because we think those people are evenly distributed through the entire class. Okay, yeah. Right, next bit. Fill out the frequency table and how many people are between 120 and 145 centimetres. I'll give you a couple of seconds to work this out. Pause the video if you want. Okay, so let's do the frequency table. I'm going to be quite quick with this. We've got 30 times 0.1, which is 3. I've got 10 times 0.5, which is 5. 0.8 times 10, which is 8. 1 times 10, which is 10. And 0.3 times 20, which is 6. Now, between 120 and 145, 120 is a little bit of this bar, the whole of the other bar, and a little bit of the next one. Now, if you think of this as area again, my first part, I've got 10 times 0.1, which is 1. My second part, I've already worked out, this is up here, but anyway, 0.5 times 10, which is 5. And if you look at the bit that's like coloured in, my width of that is 5, and my height is 0.8, so 0.8 times 5, which is 4. And you add them all together. And again, that's an estimate. I hope you're getting the hang of this. But I've got a set of questions, but I'll show them for a second for you to pause, and I'll show you at the end. So, question 1, pause it. I assume you're unpausing it. Question 2, pause it. Assume you're not pausing it. Question 3, pause it. Assume you haven't paused it. 4, unpause it. And here's your answers. Hope you enjoyed that.